Now, my member, a very, very serious thing about buffer stock. Buffer stock. Yet, Kroma, she video Ghana ni me papa wakwa da buffer stock. All because for 2 years, 3 years, over 1 million Ghana cedis average abided in the Kawuntia.
My member, the one of the buffer stock suppliers. Bema, good morning.
Good morning, Goy.
For Monday, no makwakoda a buffer stock office. Adain.
Yeah, Goy. That's it. Michia, what you for you now? Kofi de tieni se usha buffer stock ejuma dia. Nanka dodo na ye nyina nka ye party ma nkinka you say we are not supposed to be treated this way. Obi abobusia aye adwuma. Ebra na ye adwuma no, ebro bag baako. Ebi wo ha meton 350 cedis. And the ebro bag is 750 cedis. Ya ye adwuma 2022, 2023. Could you believe say yen sanka yesika baako kra. Almost a year be able 2022 near Pia Kakra. Na ye jebi. I just said, they said, ye trans a junior and who could be say, but Utifia, Zemini Dukumasi, meeting Quadu, meeting Quadra, meeting Quab before. Because Omo Mamma from 4 mammy a brew, Omo Mamma more, no mammy sugar, before mammy yam to me pack. None way Babada, but first took her. Mammy back home. Okolapsi me de ko hospital entonto we about Kofi e yesi e beda har na ba so ko be hu sa ampa ye ni abre so ye ko ye nyina ye o mo asebi o mo mu gina hokra no o mu hu o mo ano na ya e dai ya it pressure wo so pressure wo so na me check me pressure Kofi 184 116
hey.
Minya bisada na miye machine.
This is serious.
Na mdimri ka pressure draw ya no mekoye pharmacy mekoye o ma me no mienu. Na pressure draw dem nsanke do mba Kofi yewu. Ya ho kire ye hwi a enye sabe ka bema de se mi ame be me o se mi ma mi ri hu se mi be ma de bia na o da ho yiri Kofi me 3 semesters ago me my school fees Mpia ba triple data check dia koma school no so mo man na house sabi wo mu say de skaba ne betua ndiko yes ba fast talk for any doctor ba o mi as o mu si na me hweye na se be bia duru de de ko bi ko to sugar $1,000 o papa bi ho e wa adum ko free $1,000 na ba ko 400 cedis and the 1,000 ni 400,000 Ghana cedis. Now, no one make us say sugar is 650. Hey. It is out of 400, no. We have between 600 Ghana cedis. Difference 2 billion. Kofi oka odika. It's also the man I'm sharing busumi miensa. You say first of busumi miensa ni tweka. A dear fit actually over 1.5 years ago. It was Mr. Kennedy. Ubana oba between Misikana. Ubetria difference 2 billion 200,000 Ghana cedis and they are home. Okay, odika. Wow. We had the Bob Ramani. Could we say you? Ya ho chire. And we are by say a better. Nothing to Maria. Now she have that in serum. Now obabu so scar onyebi.
So for how long are Ademoka all these were? For how long?
Could we over 2 years. Hey, they need the sakura no. You need the Sakura and 7 months.
Hey.
You need the Sakura and 7 months.
Over 2 years.
Over 2 years.
That is serious.
Over 2 years.
Hey, now maybe you are not one. Where banchana body? Bayre. Oh, already. And this is an international community. Ghana and Nimasi. I tell you for here on Facebook page. This is serious, and so model from Monday up to now. Why na no my statement from Buffer Stock acknowledging so Modemoka and blah 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 officially almost saying.
Kofi, Yes, Nra, we saw my release statement. But that is the usual thing. Anytime Bia, you're sorry, Bia say, you're PSC, release statement. No, Mama promise. Say, Bia Monko, the next 2 weeks. The last time on my statement, that was about March, July, Munye, Kofi, Yantife. Meanwhile, Sika, Omanya Sika, at the other suppliers, yeah, Juvenile Hono. Yes, we a government flagship program. Yena ya bedu sabi sabra na aban ni sikaro yejira ho ye di sika ye eduru ho no mutu ama ye na ye di sika ye bi na mposika ba enye ye yanke ye sika shem dada no na moma ye na ya to adwuma no so we die o ma pege ye sinche because o me hu se bia ye ni abre ya tutu ni me o ma se ye sika no pam de man adwuma na ye ntimi nyemu half Doma Pimis in chain, and no Mako for Mohunipanum, the Emma and Yabreno. Omako for Mohunipa, and Omadi Oma Baba Shell Jumanu, and a Sika Eba Nomdi Piom, Kana ya Juma Boka. Kofi, no be of Hami Kokogia, interest was 36%. Every month, mutual loan crano. Mutual loan of about 200,000 Ghana cedis every month. Me people could tell me, "Who passes here? I'm the better." Okofano to Rural Bank and I'm Jimmy Sika. And go say, "I never send me. I can 200,000 me kofano he. Maton me car, maton me fee. I didn't be na minye. I didn't be na minye."
So averagely, government day Mumubiaka about in average of about how much? That is the buffer stock.
Kofi minim obi adwuma wo ye but yen so far ya ba be hia they are buying in kakura no about 1 million Ghana cedis.
1 million Ghana cedis, which is about 10 billion old cedis.
Yes, Kofi.
Damn it. And now almost emfa musika na mamu yen sanso mamu supply no and omo diska no ema wo mo ankasa enkofo e dey different supply.
Dr. Bonya onye da so yesrew. So one ka bia man a ye be say ho konfu ye be wu because baby ekono Kofi edne be se mitri ni ogu mitri so. Ni mitri say be se boso ni. Edne ya ho chire situation na ye wo no. E so critical say enura. Ha, no pastor ko ni mu ha ne no aduane.
Ana mo maduane na wa hai. Ana me hwe. I'm just watching it.
You see, ye sika. Ena panyini ba ko Ghana paying for minimum, sir. Over between more Hana Kofi. Yeah, what in now my 700 Ghana cities. The public brave, and you be called to Torontos, a job moko, and ye Baba Muadiano had a dear. Kofi, any blessing, Sabi, the ordinary Kabia, and wouldn't see it here. And one of my neighbor also be fair, so who would TV so. I feel the Wajia to say, and Sicadian. No, see, and try and come this Ghana. The situation is so critical, sir. Who can see our bank of frontiers here? Who can see our bank of frontiers here? Your Juma is a when the business can be say, Senior Luna, at the Ayajuma. Obia Habia Ekutano, the loan agreement in Koji, Obia Kutana facility, without the Okoti, ways if you will be there. Now the Anocrampo there. Savvy, not often or nothing.
So, any assurance beyond the statement, say Monsabe Kamusikadie?
Kofi say, yenya assurance dear. The only information I want to say, the government, but first stock recognizes us or the castle so much. But I should say, when and how we are getting the money, we don't know. And assurance in the city of Kofi, ya empty until say. Ombe issue checks yamaye and as on better system musicano, ye greater percent. There can you say until that we are not living here.
Hey.
Other than that, we will demand our money and we demand interest because we are sending me to a bro 300 Ghana cedis, then they to a bro 750 Ghana cedis. If they say me can hold the mammy, send me to a bro 5,000 bucks here. They say me to a bro 2,500 bucks to cry. How do you treat your fellow human being like this? I think, Bonnie Benny, Bonnie Bepan, saying, and Cassayama, your office for, nay, Boamia Fidium, Coffee Bonnie Benny, boni ben pa na odi office ya ye boni ben na odi usika kwakoto ade e dia bre aban yina free SHS suppliers ye ka ho bi ene ya ma free SHS abis aye stable setinye gina na aboa beduru sabre ya yina ye danyam ya sese we contributed to it sabe yakobo bosia ye bebrebe ye mu bebrebe ye adwuma na ye bi kuta doctorate degree bi kuta master's degree ye nya aban adwuma nye ya nya bi anye na sabe yakobo bosia de toto aburo emu sugar baye e bia masukuwa nkwa di na ntu e ka na de ebe fa ye ni kofi na de ebe fa ye ni na de ebe fa ye ni na de ebe fa ye ni and until say you be a sick man until say you dey check man kofi we are not living here any na ebe wu ada ha.
No, but my worry is that so nobody is even listening to more concerns and in the plight.
For no crampo no obia ni office ofre almost so a omumfa na kofi de high ni say you wa nyanyam nyina sisi ya yesika akodima emei omo ye adwuma ene uko sisi a ene ma gu school mo
Buffer stock
omo tia bi maye
omo supply omo for different people egu area supply
for different people yen Dr. Bomi ayesrew wa ma mehwen a yin nyina yebewu Dr. Bomi
awu tia kakra de mamu a mo ankasa betimi dibi aya supply
ye de yesi kamu mitien halfway na mu ntua bi maye ni fa bi nye supply no na mu ntua maye ni de enkakra ka ni de Ghana ni boy ni si nyina mu numa ebejo se bi dia me de ka 1 million me ko na me si me nya 1 million me nya 500,000 onu so obeji ene cotton kete ho na kokobusa mobo cotton kete na kokobusa sugar bo you see so there's so much pressure on us there's so much pressure on us na maybe I'm calling in makore kofi wo fanya na me mashime o fanya say kim na me mashime you see e dia be na yenye se wo dia wa kofi dia be na yenye
in fact I my brother I know you and I know how responsible you are but I no problem ho
yes e dia yenye kofi mentika matomeka mi fie kakra ma shedru be we say da bi konkokra brema o de bejeju ani kofi matom you see same post o de sika ni nyina kwa ma ne esi ye di tutua ye ho aka nyina mpa e tua wi ayi ni sika bi abiem because you can ekuta ye no inflation afa no Dr. Bonya na de yesu kire no say yes no yenim se finance committee no one dano yes no ekwempia obefa so oboboye no wonwa ye de nkasa mu fa sika nyina mpo manye de mu manye bi na yenya dwuma no kakran ne to so yenim se eyeka eyedenya sebe Ghana yenka ya ye peja eyedenya anema basisa yenim COVID Ukraine ade ba yenim se there's a challenge but at least meet us halfway my bi kakra sebe na ye busuafo so hu sampa ye adwuma na ya kafo omo so hu ntoy omo to fi ye bre
me mpati
ye bre
my brother Enforcia they are listening and I know they are listening
and let me give you a serious revelation something you don't know about this buffer stock and at time way back and our government created we need to create that thing. Said a bear at least enuane enwo de wo Ghana ye so ye enuane apo ba bi de egu nti ya adwen pa Pharaoh any Joseph eso dae na Joseph as a minister for agriculture Pharaoh say fabiani sie na komkase e ba beba Ghana bibie ni these are the biblical principles fabiani sie creating buffer stock Kwame Nkrumah time we were thinking in creating that. If you create a buffer stock, there will be a season where there may not be abundance of food supply. A season will come in life where aduane will be quite cheap. Time we do we need to fail, and this is what we have to do as a country. Ghana free SHS aban kreti aduane ankwala ne be di kreto da nuane hwe nuane bi ankwala no edi Ye wo my Ghana ye won sase kwa ye breakthrough ye prisons egua, and we are not able to supply food. Planting for food and job buy na ye dua serious ye we akotwa free ye na ukope president edi. This is your legacy for planting for food and jobs. Now bro back we 7.5 million old cities, 750 Ghana cities, and that is what we have in this country. Nobody is sitting down to think. And a buffer stock for suppliers at Womo Sika. Millions and thousands of Ghana cities at their supply for various schools. Abai wa again bibi amawasia. Usenja about chrono. You've not paid these people. Now, Sikane ba abai ne de akọ so omuntua no. Me abi nua na the bi. Any the CEOs are we a board chairman for buffer stock. Now you pick people elsewhere. Now we discard na womo supply aduane ema schools. When these people who are supplied ebu are for 2 years, ebu are for 3 years, ebu are for year 4, muntia womo ka. Bibia ye di agro Ghana. Look at this video. Comedy ni edin wa international communities. I saw ya say what they see these things and begin to laugh and mock Ghana. Inya ubia emanen transe me for more than 1 week. Nipa maame ne papa koda buffer stock. Utie wo mo aye no mo di nkoma. One of the suppliers from the studios of Akuma FM. Now all can. Are we serious at all in this country? Maame kan kire Ghana for. A brave see a giant MPP NDC policies no, they will not help this country. Let's be serious and think about ourselves near holding and penning for accountable. Say the politics of equalization are too much. The joke is getting too much in this country. A time I do say we get serious. Anyway, yes, it's going to be you. It's going to be a day out of fraud. But we are not choosing our priorities right. And this is where we are as a country. Page in your Kofi Asante Ennin YouTube. Oba, subscribe. Like it. Now, what it means so, I share. Or call me Facebook page. Duanaba Kofi Asante Ennin. Facebook page ni Duanaba Kofi Asante Ennin, and TikTok Duanaba Kofi Asante, and I say at Kofi Asante Ennin. Just follow me. Now, Ghana, we need to hold our leaders accountable. And Opebi also be to follow me. Our Akuma 87.9 FM on Ghana Akuma. I will be there. God bless you.